What's up, Darth Vader? What's up, Big Zo? Good morning, bro. Let's get it, everybody. Let's get it. Getting a little gap up in the markets today. Not a little gap up, a pretty significant gap up. Pretty significant gap up in the markets today, everybody. What's up, Irish River? What's good, everybody? Let's go peek around at some individual names real quick. I think an area that we definitely have to watch on NQ today, everybody, is how we hold this 940. This honestly would have been a great London trade. This bounce right here, this break and retest from yesterday's high and resistance. I mean, whenever you have an area like this where you wake up and you don't really have a lot of candle closures, and you finally get that test down into that zone between those levels like we see here, beautiful textbook break and retest like you see there. Very, very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. So let's go look more so at the larger time frames. It looks like if we can hold this hourly above 25,000, it looks like we want to target 25,000 hundreds. It looks like we want to target into this next previous support turn resistance. So if we can keep strength, I'll look for a move to fill up to the top of this fair value gap up here. And arguably, if we get above this 200, I think it's going to be tough today. But get above that 200, I think we can. My alarm! Start shooting for all-time highs. Give us a hint on the Tradeify announcement. Big Zo, I want to, but if I tell you, I'd have to kill you. I can't do it. I'm sorry. I promised them. I'll tell you this, is that Team Bowl will be participating. How about that? What's up, Greg? Oh, you're back. I could. Hope Grizzly's all right. I haven't heard from him this morning. It's not so bad. Good morning, money team.
Morning.
What's up, Greg? You're back.
Yes, sir.
We missed you.
So good.
Good. How was work?
Was very good.
Very good.
Very good. Really nice. How's been the last 2 days? Making money?
My beat. What are you watching today, my boy?
I have 9650. It's day 11 NQ. Still looking for a 965. Potential bounce, but maybe go up above 044. Go above that and get 160.
So you want
for rejection 160. Still far away from that one. It's a good point for rejection.
Yeah, I'm kind of thinking if we hold this hourly above 25,000, I'd like to see just us do a nice break and retest of this level and continue on up to target like 25,000 hundreds. That's my main watch. If we fail again or if we make a lower high below 25,040, maybe we end up getting a nice pullback down. What up, Gerardo? The man, the myth, the legend was good. A lot of y'all are on here early. You guys like when we come on early? Let me know, chat. Y'all like when we come on early together? You guys like when we wake up early and talk to each other? I don't want you on your horse delivering my dollar. I just want access to the Discord. Well, you got it. Do it on your computer, my bro. You likely had the wrong time frame, my friend. I think the code is expired, guys. I texted my backing guy last night that it was supposed to expire at midnight. Good morning. It's usually $125 a month. For you, well, it was $1 for a month. $1 make me hollow. We're talking how many cents? 3 cents a day? 3 pennies a day? You gonna give us another 100-pointer today? Bro, that trade went crazy yesterday that we caught. If you go watch yesterday's live stream, that trade went crazy. As a reminder, guys, the market opens in 20 minutes. So if you guys want to trade futures with me today, if you want to trade NQ or ES with me, go get yourself a prop firm account and use code Jdun. If you want the most scalable firm, you can click in the description of YouTube here and go to Apex. You can buy up to 20 accounts, and it's 80% off. This is the last day, unless they extend it, which they probably will, of 80% off. Alpha Futures is most similar to Top Step. So if you like Top Step, if you want something a little more beginner-friendly, I'd recommend Alpha Futures. That's the second one below. You can use code JDUN for 25% off. And then finally, Tradeify. They have straight to funded and evals. You can use code JDUN for 35% off. Appreciate the follows, everybody. Do what you want, man. What's up, Grizzly? Jdun. What's up, dog? Oh, I'll change your name for you. I'll change your name for you. Shit. How's your morning, man, bro? I didn't see you on the live.
I got everything done though, so I can make the live trading.
My grandma joins your live. She's like, I didn't see Grizzly live.
Yeah, I'll be live. I'll be live in the morning one more time. Take care of some things so it didn't mess with my trading. How you doing this morning?
It's Andre. Send us an email. I'm not sure why they wouldn't have shown up, but it was likely a software issue. I need my coffee. Got one account on Apex. Use your code. Thank you. Appreciate you, bro. When you use code Jdun on Apex, you don't have to worry about any payout issues. You got payout protection. I've seen a lot of y'all getting funded with alpha futures too using code Jdun. Also, guys, what was I gonna say? I literally just forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, also, if you're on TikTok, I'm also live on YouTube as well. So Jdun Trades, you get full screen share. If you want to get off this small little screen, go to a big old screen. Tap in with the YouTube. We got a great family here. We've been growing. We had like 800 plus people concurrent at the highest point. I get high so much. This Tesla looks ready to burst too. Kind of breaking out with this gap up on Tesla. This could be worth a watch too. Breakout, little retest back down, and then move. If the market can simply just, I don't know, not die. If Trump can stay away from talking about cooking oil, we should see a nice day up. I look at the market yesterday, I get on my phone, and NQ's just dying. I'm like, all right, what did Donnie T say? Come on, Donnie. What did we say this time? Cooking oil. Cooking oil. Like, come on, my boy. The next 3 years of trading are going to go down in history of just wild. Hey, thank you, Trey Holcomb. New to trading, just followed and subscribed. How often do you trade? I haven't started any early advice. Yeah, set a solid foundation. Yep, just coming every day. You basically get a free course every day watching. I do my absolute best to keep you disciplined, to keep you focused, to keep you trading smart, keep you trading safe, and to keep you on the right path. You can ask around chat. We have a great community. I do my best to keep things real with you and to help you focus on the process each day. That does come with lots of winning trades, if I do say so myself, but it's definitely not easy. Definitely not easy for sure. Also, all y'all here, make sure you guys keep that bell notification on where it says subscribed. Make sure y'all keep that bell notification on so you guys get alerted when your boy goes live. Click on where it says the bell and it says all. How many of y'all got your notifications on? Should be all you guys. Keep your notifications on so you don't miss any trades. You're missing out on money, my friends. You're missing out on free money. Alpha Futures eval in 1 day. You can. You can on their zero plan. I just turned on. Thank you, Captain Haas. Appreciate you turning on your notifications. Asia was good. I didn't take any trades. I was just hanging out. I may actually start getting on and streaming a little more at night too. I've thought about it. Noti's turned on now. Let's go. Also, I appreciate y'all liking this live. We got 200 plus people. Let's get this up to at least 100 plus likes. Come on. We did it yesterday and we caught 2 bangers. Just saying. Just subscribed today. First time seeing you. Welcome, KIJ. This is your reminder to choose discipline over dopamine today. Trade smart, trade safe. Follow your plan. Come in, stay patient. If you're new here, you'll know that you'll find out I don't trade the first 15 minutes personally. I usually wait and let my A+ setup form. I already know what Tradeify is doing. I've been talked to them. Come on now, I'm one of their partners. Oh, you said you get. Can I guess? I thought you told me to guess. Yeah, you can guess. Yes. My apologies. I read that wrong. I haven't had my coffee yet. You got to give me some grace. Yes, it is, Bo. I'll tell y'all this. What Tradeify is doing, Team Bull will be a participant in. How about that? That's an interesting guess, Discreet. It's ambitious. You might hit the nail on the head. You might have completely missed it and hit your thumb. Can't tell you. Yeah, I need to win the cup.
2 mega trades in one day. Let's see. You're the champion, man.
Just got my first payout on Tradeify. Thanks, Team Bull. Let's go. Tradeify is a great firm. Solid. They just do things right. The 20% on straight to funded, the consistency is you just gotta get used to that. But besides that, it's cool. It's super cool. If you guys want to trade with Tradeify, you can use code Jdun for 35% off. Tradeify.co. They have straight to funded accounts. They have straight to funded accounts, and they also have evals, which is pretty dope. Yeah, 8 minutes till open, everybody. 8 minutos till we open. Eight minutes till we get to start trading in the markets. Made some good bread yesterday. 3 racks in the live. 3 racks a day keeps a lot of problems away. If I can make 3 to 5 racks a day. I mean, there was a time where I was making 5 to 10 racks, like 10 racks every single day. I was just putting on a lot of risk. It's kind of stressful. Team Grandma for the win. That's right.
I think a good trade could be go up above 0.44. Grab some liquidity, then go down. Some potential trade I'm looking.
How much money do you got to have to start day trading to make a good profit? Well, you can start pretty cheap with a prop firm. You can start for as little as like $30 just to get experience and have your have skin in the game. How possible is it to turn 25K to 100K from now to end of year while staying disciplined options? It's virtually impossible unless you get lucky. You can get lucky, but it's not going to... Here's the thing. is if you go into the market thinking, hey, I want 25 into 100. And if you do that, like if you get lucky and do that, well, guess what's going to happen at the start of 2026 or at some point in 2026? I'll tell you what's going to happen. You're going to lose all of it because you're not building a solid trading foundation to grow it with. So I don't care if you turn 10 to 100, 10 to 500. If you don't know what the heck you're doing, you're going to end up giving it all back. I mean, we saw it happen over and over and over again with AMC and GameStop and such. We saw it with GME. We saw it with AMC. You can help me recover the funds. You can help me recover that blog button. All right, we're looking at this Tesla. This looks good for a breakout to the upside. AMD is coming into this previous fair value gap here. Maybe target 230. Little gap up. Yesterday's highs. Yep, once you stop focusing on the money and you start focusing on the process, that's when results start to come. That's what you really have to understand. That's why I don't like you guys trading with daily goals. Because when you're consistently fixated on a daily goal, you're only thinking about the money.
So another potential trade going long is going down to 965. Probably a little lower, 965, 955.
I'm in Discord live. We're in the Zoom link.
I would like to see go down a little lower. 965, 955 is not the level. To continue going up. Make that trade from 965 going long on the 160. Mega trade. Mega trade there.
Rest in peace and let me flex in peace. We got 2 minutes, y'all. As a reminder, come in today focus, come into today trading smart, trading safe, and choosing discipline over dopamine. I also forgot we do have Jared Tendler today. I made the schedule. I forgot to put that on. I Forgot to put that on, so I'm going to go ahead and add that. Jared Tendler, our trading psychology and performance coach, today at the PM. The schedule. Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it, y'all. Trade smart, trade safe, and dump off the open on the video. Wow. All right, let's go ahead and get.
Let's do this.
Let's get it, bro.
965 auto be. Oh, shh. Go down, go down, go down.
Let's get it, y'all. Trade smart, trade safe. Let's get it, everybody. Let's go.
Touching. Lower, lower. Don't bounce it. Don't.
Which level are you watching for a bounce?
This level 965, but I want him to go a little lower. Just to fade. To fade some people. Come on, go lower. Bounce exactly at 965. I want lower.
You want lower? You want lower? I want lower, my boy.
Yeah, this thing's gonna bounce from here.
Let's get it, everybody. This is your reminder to choose discipline over dopamine today. I want you to come onto this live trading each and every day and remember to stay focused, stay patient, trade smart, and trade safe. This is the #1 place to stay disciplined as a trader.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Jesus, man, it's too fast. It's too fast.
Let's get it. As a reminder, guys, today is the last day of Apex 80% off. Make sure to tap in, get those accounts with code Jdun. I got your back. Let's get you funded. Let's get you paid. I've also been going live every day a bit earlier. So I've been live for 30 minutes now, 28 minutes. So make sure you guys click that bell icon or where it says notifications and make sure you put all on. Make sure you always have your notifications on so you don't miss any trades, you don't miss any solid education. I'm coming live and I'm on a mission to make more of you profitable by the start of 2026. So 2026 can be your first green year or a scaled year. Emo drop top.
Time to come back. If there is.
Did you take long today?
Not yet. Not yet. I'm not about just watching price action first. When I see if they recover 965 again with a strength, I probably will take.
Gonna stay patient, guys. 2 weeks in Bali. Bro's going to catch a vibe.
Taking the loss, guys. Taking the loss.
Greg on the longs.
975, 920. Boom. It's fast.
Long, quick move.
I'm kidding.
Good fill in there.
975, 980.
That's where we went long.
yet. Injects this good.
Greg and the longs. No trades for me, guys. I wait the first 15 minutes. My win rate when I trade in the first 15 minutes goes significantly down, so I typically don't do it. I'm going to watch this like 920 to 940 area if we get down there. Hopefully we don't. Hopefully we don't. But after the first 15 minutes, I don't trade the first 15 minutes. After we get out of this decision-making zone and get some 5-minute candle closures, that's the area I'm going to look for. Oh. Where is this boy Gene? Bro, Gina says, nope, no market open for me. PSL first. Guys, I lost my glasses, so I have an eye appointment today. I've been needing to go anyway. It's been a while. Greg loses one trade, and you're like, he's not profitable, bro. Greg could lose 70% of his trades, and if he has massive winners, he could still be profitable. You guys are clearly new here, which is okay. That's fine. But don't talk TM, my boys. I might work with some other streamers, not with me. We're in a different league. We're in a different atmosphere than these other traders. There's only one Team Bull. There's only one Jdun. Come on now. Come on now. He's in the longs again. 980. I'm still not in anything, though. He's got oil money. He's good. The new Meta Ray-Bans, I've thought about it. That'd be cool. Winner. Go to winners, baby. All right. Staying patient, letting these 5-minute candles close, letting these 5-minute candles settle up, and we'll see what we get for structure. Good morning, Jdun. On your masterclass, you mentioned going over how you scale out of trades. Maybe make a video. Can you go over how you manage your trades? Do you place your stop loss first? No, stop loss first, always. Always stop loss first. Absolutely. How this ass trader. Good morning to you, SVP. Welcome to the best live stream in the world. Welcome to the #1 live stream in the entire universe where we win and choose discipline over dopamine. May God bless you. May God bless you, my friend. Yeah, I mean, that's just a reflection of themselves. But staying patient still, guys. No trades yet. No trades yet. Just staying patient. First 15 minutes. No trades for me yet. Staying very patient. We waited for a while. I traded for 2 hours yesterday, and we caught some bangers. Like, caught that 40-point move to the downside, and the absolute nuker was to the upside. 20 points of risk ended up going like 200 points. No, I got to renew my. I got a new card. I got to renew it.
I just wondered what was getting higher for around 24,900 to 24,920 in that area.
Ask Brando Commando. Get Brandon in here. He's the book map. What? Well, he is, yeah. It's not our live, though. It's not the GOAT live. Yeah, this is the 18. Don't. All right, let's see. We got 2 candles in. We're waiting for the third one. Choosing discipline over dopamine. You missing so much moves. Welcome. Yes, I'm missing so much moves in the first 10 minutes. Missing all the moves. Oh, funny. We also have Jared Tendler today, Team Bull, during Power Hour. I forgot he was scheduled for today. It's a huge perk of being a part of this community. Author of The Mental Game of Trading, great trading psychology and performance coach. From a very logical standpoint, he's worked with a lot of professionals, a lot of hedge funds. You guys get access directly to him as members of Team Bull. So that's during Power Hour. It will also be recorded and posted in Jared Tendler recordings. I wish I can stay as disciplined like Jdun. I'd rather be consistent than going through roller coasters. Just join every day and just listen. Watch that 920 to 940. This was the main area I was watching for a bounce, but we're still in the first 15 minutes. I was looking for this down here, that 920 down to 920 to 940. It's that previous. It's yesterday's resistance turn support. What's good, YouTube? What's good, TikTok? As a reminder, make sure you guys are tapping in. If you're on TikTok and you're new here, welcome. I trade live every single day. Make sure you guys hit that follow button in the top left corner. If you're on YouTube and you're new here, welcome. Make sure you tap in, hit that subscribe, and also make sure on that little bell icon, you guys click that right now and turn all notifications on. I went live for Asia last night, and I also went live this morning for 30 minutes prior to open. I don't want you guys missing any of the lives. Missing out on potential money, baby. Money and knowledge. Knowledge is money. Knowledge is income. So make sure you guys take 2 seconds and turn those notifications on so you don't miss any of the Asia streams or you don't miss any of the early morning streams. Tradeify growth account, would you recommend 100, 150? Yep, 150. A milli. All right, let's get our levels marked out. We just about have our blueprint in. Oh, my breath. Oh, whoops. We almost have our levels marked out. Our blueprint is in, guys. Here we go. Our blueprint is done. Think crazy pumping coming? After they stopped you out, they're just going to pump it, huh? That's what they like to do. That's what they like to do. I still don't have my coffee. Mr. Gene is still not here, so what do I say? No coffee, no trade. No good night's sleep, less risk, no trade. I'm very consistent on my schedule. It sounds silly, but it's what keeps me in the game. No coffee, no trade for me. Still waiting for Mr. Gene. Bro, thank you, longs guy. I'm not in anything, guys. He's trying longs again. I don't necessarily agree with it, but that's why I'm not taking anything. Greg, come on, my boy. I think we maybe take it easy on the longs. Not giving it to you, my man. Stay patient, yo. It's fine. An A+ setup. We're bouncing off the midline here. If we get the failure to go higher, could potentially look for. I'd like to see a higher volume sell candle in here off this 50% retracement. If we get that, could potentially look to target these lows here and then London low. If we get a build above these highs here, we can look for upside. See, the high here is 85. We're at 52. So I want to see a solid confirmation candle here. Then we can look for a move up, failure to go higher, move back down. Same deal on QQQ if you're trading options. Same deal on QQQ. Touch that midline failure. I would have rather seen us just wait a sec. I'm just trying to protect my colleagues, guys. It's like wait for candle closures. I know it means missing a few of the moves, but your win rate goes up so much, like significantly goes up. If you want to see my analysis, guys, on TikTok, go to YouTube. Jdun Trades. You can see my full screen. JDUN Trades. Go to your YouTube right now and type it in. You got like 800 people in here almost. If we get this candle closure here, I'll look for the pop back up. And then a short back down. The YouTube has like literally a 4 to 6 second delay. It's a little longer. It's like a second longer than TikTok. But the best place to be is in Team Bull. There's no delay. There's 0 second lag. Technically, this is valid for the orb here. I don't like how high this trend-setting candle is. 85 down to 20. This is valid for the orb, guys. It technically is valid. I don't like how high this trend-setting candle is. So, come on.
I'm in shorts. I tried to set it that. I tried to make you short. For him in Q short, rather.
85.
Wow. Look, the strong close below with a high volume.
I'm watching, guys. It's 932, 935. Staying patient, guys. I'm watching. Trend setting candle is a bit too high for me without extra confirmation to try the shorts. So with that high at 986, I just need a little more confirmation. Need a little more patience. Staying patient, watching this price action very carefully like a hawk. Oh, shit. What? Is it? Yeah, that was one of those times where the orb did technically fire. Just gosh, that trend setting candle, the wick when it's 70 points up is just hard. A lot of times you'll see us retrace and catch it. Sometimes it works. Sometimes you'll like I could have very well missed the entry there, right? If you're following the system, we had higher volume, we had the aggressive hammer down. I just look at it from a perspective. If I'm going to keep my risk tight to where I want to, I have to have that trend setting candle no more than like 30 points away. It's also been some whipsaw price action in here. Just aggressive moves up and down. AMD is ripping.
Yeah, AMD's got some strength, doesn't it? Man, currently negative 500 something.
Staying patient, guys. Reminder, I trade for 2 hours every day. So we got time. Our best trade came later in the day.
Close it up, but it's on the 23rd.
Interesting candle, though. Aggressive 5-minute body, but no or lowering volume. Interesting. What's the point of joining if I get no help? What are you talking about, bro? I'm watching the charts. You got to be if you're a part of the Team Bull in our premium version, guys. It's in the daily Zoom link. Yeah, come on, we're at 120 likes. Let's get these likes up. We got 800 people in here. Come on, I'm gonna do my absolute best to find y'all a banger. Hit that like button. Let's get to 200 plus. Let's go. Come on. If you're choosing discipline over dopamine today, hit that like button. If you're not choosing discipline over dopamine, don't hit it. But if you're choosing discipline over dopamine, hit that like button. Come on. Everything is useless unless you understand DOD. Guys, in an orb setup like this, honestly, that's just instinct that I didn't take it. Like I don't even know how to describe it. Like everything else fit. The trend setting candle was very high. So I don't like trading when the trend setting candle's that high. Thank you for coffee, Gene. Mr. Gene is here with the coffee. Now that I got my coffee, the engines are started, baby. Let's get ready to rumble. Watching SPY, watching NQ. The PSL Express has arrived. Jeez Louise. I wish we could have gotten a pullback on AMD. Oof. Reverse orb. If we had higher volume, potentially. I'm just staying patient, guys. I'm waiting for our A+ setups to come in. Let's see here. If we look at 5, 10, 15, okay. If we go ahead and pull up here, AMD I'm watching. I'd like to see a pullback if we trade some AMD. My ideal area would have been a pullback into this previous pre-market high from a move up here, down to around here, and then move back up. That's what I'd personally like to see. Tesla's looking like it might get a confirmation candle. We had this aggressive move up. Maybe we close above this pre-market high here, and then we see some sort of pullback into this zone where we can push back up there. Yep, each and every one of you guys should have watched my 3-hour free trading course. It will change your life. You guys all had homework last night. Speaking of which, hopefully you all did your homework. It was to watch at least 1 hour of my 3-hour free course. It is free, it is valuable, and it's better than anything you could pay for on the internet. It's on my YouTube, guys, where I'm live right now, TikTok. If you go to your YouTube and type in Jdun Trades, JDUN Trades, I'm on there. We're growing every day. We're growing each and every day. You get full screen share too. All right, let's see here. NVIDIA's having a tough day, but AMD's strong. Interesting. Apple's getting some strength too. Apple's getting some strength as well. Still lower volume. We technically... What? 978. Yeah. Nope. And we're already touching London high after that 15-minute high. If we do get some strength, here's what I am willing to look for. Is if we do get some strength, hopefully we get some volume on this candle, get a close above London high. If we do that and we retest back into the zone, I will look for longs with a 25, 30-point stop. That's my game plan as of now. We still have a few minutes before this candle confirms. So we caught bangers yesterday. I'm in no rush today again. I don't rush my trades. I trade my system. That's what keeps me alive. That's what's kept me in the game for 9 years. I look at weekly, monthly, and quarterly and yearly results, not daily. I could care less about daily. Want to come say hi, Gene?
Sure.
I got to use the restroom. Gene's coming to say hi. Asian man.
What's up, guys? What are we doing? Why did he not take the trade? Can anybody repeat? I don't think he's seen confirmation. That's why I didn't take it. I trade both MNQ and NQ. Yes, sir. It was all right. I took one loss of 21 points, and then the second one, I stopped out at like 1 point in profit, and then it went our way 40 points. So we had the right idea. It's just, I don't know. I was a little iffy about yesterday. If any of you were there. I just like the movement. I feel like there's definitely some movement. I've been thinking about adjusting though. From instead of 4 when I usually start, I was thinking about starting at 5 and just for the first hour, just watching.
What's up, my boy?
What is up?
Do a little dance to the chair. Gene does not smoke the green. Gene just wants a Hellcat. Buy tan Jdun. That's wild. Let's see how this candle closes. Hygiene. Get it? Hygiene. Hygiene. No Tesla longs for me yet. I'm not saying it's not valid, but if you did take Tesla longs, you need to keep stops below 434. Getting close to yesterday's high. Or not yesterday, but yesterday's or the 13th Asia high. Do I only take trades on the 5 minutes? For the most part. All right, we got to close above here. Lower volume again, though. All right, let's see if we pull back into here. I'm 977, 25,000. I'm open to a longs entry if we pull back into this zone here. I don't trade the breakouts. That's what you must understand, guys. And sometimes you miss trades because of it, right? And if that doesn't fit your style, then you can trade breakouts. I trade break and retests. I trade higher lows and lower highs. This makes it so I take less trades, yes, but also you've seen my win rate day in and day out. It stays extremely high because of how disciplined I stay. I don't care about catching every trade. I don't care about trading every day. I focus on quality over quantity. That's why I got a $50,000 payout from Apex. Something that a lot of people will never do. It's all about quality, guys. The Hellcat payout. If this trend setting or potential trend setting candle right here above the midline would have had a higher volume, I would have taken this long with stops 25, 30 points down. But we didn't confirm that, so I didn't take it on the 5 minute. $15-minute didn't confirm either. Appreciate you, Jay. What's good? Appreciate all y'all being here. TikTok. As a reminder, I trade live every single day. Make sure y'all tap in, hit that follow button. If you're looking to learn how to trade stocks, futures, and options, I teach people every single day. Oh my gosh, we're ripping. If you're on YouTube, I'm also live on YouTube, guys. So you can tap in and you can get my full screen share on YouTube, Jdun Trades. That's the best stream to be on. We're growing every day, too. Literally, we have been holding over 800 people. And if you're on there, you might as well go ahead and save that link below in my description for later. That's my free course. It's 3 hours, and it's 3 times better than anything you could ever pay for from any of these gurus. Oh, my gosh. Just nuclear move. No volume confirmation. No volume confirmation. Is strict up. If we get some volume on this candle, which we might, I'm still open for a pullback for longs. That's all I'm looking for. I have zero interest in shorts until the market says, hey, it's time to short. I don't see candles up like this and think, oh, it's going up, I got to short. That's a rookie mindset. That's a losing mindset. You follow what the trend is giving you, and then when you find systematic reversals, then you can trade those reversals. Yeah, what? Harrison, right? Terrible volume orb. The orb was valid, it's just low volume. The only orb that had volume got crushed, and the orb that didn't have volume is printing. What is that? They're doing us dirty. As a reminder, YouTube, make sure you guys have your bell notifications on. Click where that little bell is, right, in the bottom left corner by my name, and turn it to on so you guys don't miss any streams. I went live for Asia last night, and I was also live 30 minutes prior to open today. We go live every single day. If nothing else, I'm going to help you be disciplined each and every day. We choose discipline over dopamine each and every day. Discipline over dopamine, baby. That's what we do. You choose discipline over dopamine, a lot starts to make sense in your trading. Now we got a high volume candle. Now we got a high volume candle. That's what I'm looking for. Let's see if we can find an entry now. Let's check. Where is our 50% retracement for the day? It's right at that 15-minute. Okay. Let's see if SPY gives us any better, or ES, the S&P gives us any better setups there. Let's see if the S&P gives us anything better. Down play. We are 40 minutes in, guys. We still have an hour and 20 minutes. I trade for about an hour. Or I trade for 2 hours every day. I will watch for a pullback to 40 area. We technically have room up still. We got room up to like, I'd say like 140s. Our job is to get a good entry that doesn't get wicked out before we get the move. Someone last. So if we get in at 50, the low here is 14. 40 to 100. It's around like 65. What do you think, Gene? I think we retrace and keep pumping too.
I think we reclaim all of that drop from Friday. Even thought we were just gonna keep falling straight down.
I want to see a pullback into here for longs. I'd like to see on the lower end of this spectrum. 50 to 60 is where I'll start to really start looking. It's too high to, if I long here at 80, I have to keep my stops below, well, 35 actually. That wouldn't be half bad. You got to remember, my friend, I am a day trader, not a trade every day trader. I don't need to catch every move. I focus on quality over quantity. Quality over quantity. Middle of that 67. If we get to 60s, I'll look for longs. If this ends up being the higher low, it's too high for me, guys. I can't personally participate. I'll watch for like 60s potentially for longs if I like price action in the 1 minute there. Otherwise, I'm just going to wait. If this is the higher low of this candle, I'll just miss it. That's 100% okay with me. The reason why 95% of traders don't make it is because they're not patient. They overtrade. They have no discipline. We focus on discipline over dopamine in Team Bull. We focus on all the right metrics that will turn you to a profitable trader long term. All right, let's go a little lower here, lower 60s. Come on, a little lower. No, 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 no. Don't bounce early. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's going to do it. It's going to bounce early. Lower 60s, I was in. I'm still open to it. But if we bounce here, then I just missed the higher low. We bounced at 70. A little overly patient. Looks like that's going to be the higher low. We'll see. Zoom has literally like 0-second delay. There's virtually no delay. It's probably your data. Oh, come on. Are they really going to make that higher low at 70? Couldn't give us a bit lower in the 60s. Wow. Wow, 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 NQ. SPY's lagging a little bit. Let's see on SPY. That 50% retracement's down at 668. The Tesla entry did work. It did. You got your longs just a little early on them. Code free is no longer valid. The $1 promo for Team Bull is over. I told y'all, get in while you can. Take a look at gold. Got gold on my chain. I got gold running through my veins. I feel like I'm going insane. That is a Fibonacci retracement tool. All right, let's see if we get my pullback I'm waiting for. I'd rather personally see. I'm a little conflicted because this is a decent entry zone. If we get into this zone in here, decent entry zone. If we get into these lower 60s, you can keep stops below the trend setting candle. If you enter, like, call it 60, you have 22 points of risk. It bothers me a little that this London high is right below that. I'd rather see us test in here. That would be money bags. A very high probability entry. We'll see. I may give it a. Here's what we could do. I may give it a shot in here. If I get stopped out below this candle, can always give it a second shot in here. If I get stopped out again, I'll just be done for the day. you know? Same deal with options too. Same deal. We're trading the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. I'm also keeping an eye on some individual names as well. As a reminder, if you are new here, first off, welcome. Second off, make sure you make this a part of your daily routine. Join me every single morning, every single day, right here on social media, on TikTok and YouTube. Hit that follow button in the top left corner so you don't miss any of the lives. Keep your notifications on. And if you want full screen share, you can go to YouTube and hit subscribe there. Come on. Is it really not going to give us that 70s entry or 60s entry? Excuse me. I wouldn't be so quick to say sell coming. It could. I'll never say something won't happen because anything can happen. Trump could tweet about cooking oil and we dump 200 points. You never know. You never know in this market. Got Trump tweeting about cooking oil and we got other random stuff happening. You ought to always be careful. What am I watching? Longs. Yeah, I'd like to see a pullback down. I have a higher risk area if we pull down to like 60s. Ideally, we would pull back to pre-market or pre-market high. Pre-market high and a 15-minute high between those two levels. If we don't, then I just don't take any trades. I mean, I got another hour 10. Yeah, you gonna hang out with me? 2 hours? How are the Vols doing? Right. And we never got the pullback. Got to move to 70 and it's moved up. Yep, that's what I was worried. I just want to see us go a little lower. Want to see us go a little lower. We didn't. Kind of a bummer, but oh well. Over here vibing still. Caught some bangers yesterday. Holding that 70 here and moving on up. And it looks like we want to grind higher. I just personally didn't get the entry I wanted. So no trade. Here's where I recommend you start. 729. You want a good bang for your buck? Here's a good bang for your buck that nearly no one else will offer you. You hit that follow button. You tap in with the YouTube. You have full screen share there. I go live every day there. And then you watch my free course that's on my YouTube. It's down below the description. It says 3-hour free course. And if you really want to support, I appreciate you using code Jdun. You can get 80% off Apex. It's the last day with the first prop from link below. If you like Top Step, you can use code Jdun with Alpha Futures They're just like Top Step. They have Project X. They have Tradeify. I like their advanced plans because there's no consistency on funded. You can trade up to 3 accounts. Use code Jdun for 25% off. Or you can skip the eval and go with Tradeify. Use code Jdun there as well. All my links are below. Use one of our partners. I appreciate you guys' support. Yeah, Tradeify's announcing something pretty cool today. They're announcing something pretty cool today. Now we're just going to move on up. This is one of those days where my system doesn't fire and I miss the big move so far, which is okay. Now, if my system fired and I saw something I loved but I didn't enter, that's when I get issued. That's when I have issues. You know, when I don't follow my system and I just blatantly don't execute well, that's when I really get bothered. That's what gets frustrating. Anything you like, Gene? What?
Nope.
Just chilling? No trades today? Just vibing. Always stay a step ahead. No hope on the car. $1 million a day keeps the problems away, right? I'm saying. Just make $1 million a day. I know Tesla nuked that level we talked about. Or if you went long, kept your stops below 434, that would have been the one. Niche cord. I blew 2 of my FFF fundeds I've been working on for about a month. Well, I'm sorry to hear that. I just activated 5 more new fundeds, but now I'm scared to trade them. So I bought a new eval. Well, I recommend when you start with 1 mini or one micro. Excuse me, 1 micro. If you're really worried about them, try to break the ice with a really small position sizing. That's the best way to work your way towards payouts. Because personal experience, if you can't trade those with minimal to no emotion, you're going to end up going on tilt and throwing them away. And that's the last thing I want you doing. Tesla is breaking its orb. Finally checked out Alpha Futures, said Naomi. Looks promising. Looks like they use the same UI as Top Step, so we'll probably end up switching. Yep. If you like Top Step, you'll love Alpha Futures. You can use code JDUN for payout protection and 25% off. You have Project X and you get Tradeify. I just put the link in YouTube chat, everybody. Appreciate y'all supporting. Well, we had some good analysis today, but no systematic entries. If you don't like Tradeify, just use Project X with Alpha. Nail. But if you got a payout denied for no reason, you follow the rules, I'll step in and talk to upper management. And I'll raise a scene for you. I'll throw a fit. I'll rip the shirt off. I'm 6'7", 225 pounds. We'll go intimidate him. So you better give my boy, my girl, their payout. Otherwise, we're going to have problems, my friend. It's the funniest thing. Whenever I see people in person, they're like, oh my gosh. Like, I get recognized quite a bit from social media. It just happens. Like, oh my gosh. You're way taller than I thought you were. 6'7". 6'7". Pro might be the tallest trader. Go to the league. I should have been in the league, huh? I'm a big basketball guy. I mean, even at my desk, I got sports stuff all everywhere. I got a ball signed by Coach K and John Shire, both the previous coach and the current coach for Duke. Big Duke guy. Big Duke ball guy. I have a ball signed by John Morant. It's not worth a lot, but I got a signed. I have a signed Kobe vintage jersey. Got the number 8 Kobe jersey signed. Vintage Kobe number 8. I also have a Jokic signed jersey too. Got to hang it up, but it's sitting there. You will not cook me, bro. I will dunk on anybody listening to this. All of you will be dunked on. Windmilled. Windmilled on. Yep. Kobe jersey. Kind of dope. King of the court. Hey, we're balling on and off the charts, all right? Team Bowl basketball tournament. This SPY looks like it wants to set up for another move up too. The S&P 500. We're getting this. We're getting a pretty textbook symmetrical triangle here. Higher lows, lower highs, consolidating. Now, this can actually technically go both ways, right? You can technically break out either way from a pattern like this. But your likelihood is more so in the direction that you started the pattern from. I mean, it can technically go down, but anything can go up, anything can go down. Damn, GC is going crazy. What do you say, Greg? I'm not entirely sure right now. So I had some offers, but never actually went. I did. I was a baller. Want to be a Baller, shot collar, 20-inch blades on my Impala. Collar. Gonna trade tonight. It's not the actual words, but it's the PG-13 version. Be show. Let's get a prop from success. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yup. Yes, a Tradeify just announced the Tradeify Grand Cup. And you know what's going to happen? Team Bowl is entering, baby. I'm going to go over it in just a second. But basically, it's going to be a team-ranked competition where all of Team Bowl's traders, if you choose to participate, are going to get to join the leaderboards. And the top trader is going to get $200,000 in cash. You heard that right. 200 G's. I haven't decided what it's going to be yet for me, but if a Team Bowl trader wins or finishes in the top, I'm going to be adding on an additional bonus to that too. Just saying. So I'm going to have more details on that very, 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 very soon. You find your phone yet? I'm still looking. It's getting closer. Come on, give us some sort of pullback on NQ. Don't. Let's go. 18 trading days, Aaron. But technically speaking, you only need you can get it in 8. You can get paid out in 8 trading days. All right, let's freaking go, everybody. All right, I just put the Tradeify event in the Prop Firm Success channel. If you have a Tradeify account, you can enter their Grand Cup for free. If you don't have one, you can use code Jdun on an account, or you can just enter the simple cup for $35. You need to register with code TB though. If you want to represent Team Bull in the Grand Cup and represent our team and help us win, you got to use code TB. I want to see each and every one of y'all on the top leaderboard. The winner gets $200,000. 200 racks, my friends. They're also going to be moving 200 traders to live. 200 traders are going to get a live account from the competition. I need to see each and every one of y'all. If you are a stud, if you are a superstar with prop firm trading, I better see y'all in there. Yeah, Greg, come on, go win it with a mega trade. If you already have a Tradeify account, then you don't have to, it's literally $0 to enter. You just go to the Grand Cup spot on your website. Enter code TB to represent Team Bull. I better see each and every one of y'all in there. Tradeify Grand Cup is here. Jdun.
It's just TV.
Yep. I better see each and every one of y'all representing Team Bull in there. If you don't have a Tradeify account, it's only $35. If you already have a Tradeify account, you can use, or if you don't have one, you can also use code JDUN to get one, and then register for free for the Grand Cup. Go prove your futures trading skills. You could even get a live account out of it. You can even get a live account out of the ordeal. I want our army to be strong. Grizzly, you better be in there too. By the phone. Top winner will get 200,000 cash with 800,000 more in cash prizes. You can enter free of an active Tradeify account. You can buy an account with code JDUN. Code JDUN. Let's go, baby. I better see each and every one of y'all representing Team Bull in that Tradeify. Click on that Grand Cup. Go to your dashboard. When you register for the Grand Cup, use code TB. I'll be giving out rewards too, prizes for our traders in the top. Come on, don't just sit here and go back and forth. Do something for us. I'm waiting here at home. Let's go. Let's go. How many of y'all are about to enter? How many of y'all are entering the Tradeify competition? You can use code Jdun, buy an eval, buy a straight to funded, and get in. Or you can just go and enter it without owning an account. Just make sure you guys use code TB. Represent Team Bull. Represent discipline over dopamine. Let's go. The ambassador code. Yup. In the ambassador code section, use code TB for Team Bull. You can win up to 200 racks. Imagine. And if you win the competition, I will personally fly you out first class. If you use ambassador code TB, first class to Colorado. Get you the vacation of your life to Colorado. Come trade with me. Come hang out at the HQ. All the above. So you want a chance to come. It's $35 for the challenge. If you already have a Tradeify account, then you're good. You can get in for free. You can use code JDUN to buy an account. Or if you want to just do the $35 challenge, you can use ambassador code TB. That signs you up for Team Bull. Gets you on our team. No, 35 is not on top of the account. It's free if you already have a Tradeify account. It's free. If you live in Castle Rock and if you win, I will drive up in the green Lambo to get you. Personally. Let's see if we get a trade here. I'm still looking for trades, guys. We've still got like 45 minutes. I live out near Golden-ish. I need y'all on Team Jdun. Yeah, right. We're using discipline over dopamine. We're getting it done. The ambassador code is code TB. Keep on dancing. Yep, if one of y'all wins, if you get in the top 10, I'll fly you out to Colorado. Just make sure you use code Jdun for discount. But when you sign up for the competition for the Grand Cup, your ambassador code is TB. Fly you out to CO to meet and trade. Team Bull, baby. We need our best futures traders in order. Let's win the cup together. Let's win the cup together, my friends. I need Grizzly to win the cup. How's the done start today? I have not taken any trades. No trades today. If you get 3 resets. Wanna rest me. I better see each and every one of y'all representing TB, representing discipline over dopamine. If you get top 10, I will personally fly you out to Colorado. I was talking about the Tradeify Grand Cup. We got to get Team Bull to win it. Yeah, it's a group and individual thing. Yep. So if you win, you get $200,000 cash. They're giving away $1 million in cash prizes, and also you represent Team Bull. So if you go to the ambassador code, use code TB, that signs you up to be a Team Bull trader in the competition. If one of y'all gets top 10, I'll fly you out to Colorado. I'll make sure Grizzly's here too. First class. If you win first place, you can track day the Lambo. I will let you track day the green Lambo if you win first place. And you use code TB. Track day. All day. If you have a Tradeify account, it's free. You literally, it's zero. If you have an active Tradeify account, do it. Grizzly, come on. For a while. Sure. Yep. Top 5 sleepover. It starts November 1st. It's like a month long. Yep. Yep, just make sure you use your ambassador code Jdun. Paid out. Almost. Let's go. Get yeah, we're just gonna get grandma's trades. Get grandma's trades for each of them. We need Team Bull to take the dub here. I think grandma's gonna win, guys. Nope, starts in 18 days. If you have an account already, or if you want an account, you can get one, and then you can sign up for free. But if you just want to do the competition, you can. It's like $35.
So you need to start with EVOD first, 18 days.
Your trading starts in 18 days. Yep, that's when it starts.
EVOD, correct?
Eval or straight to funded. Yep. If you want to win 200K, you got what it takes. You got a chance. Here's the sign up. It's just $35. Use code ambassador code TB. Yep, it's if you don't have an account, if you don't want one, it's only $35. Just make sure you use ambassador code TB so you're trading with the squad. Still no pull back in the 60s. Don't.
I'm taking about to take my last trade of the day, everyone. This is on MES.
Taking some longs.
Taking some longs on MES, everyone.
Okay.
755 is my entry area. There's two ways. If you want less risk on this trade, you can keep stop below 750. Based off the range, you can keep stop below 741. This is my last trade. We did have confirmation on the retest there of ES4.
You got close down to that 50% retracement. You got close to it. If you want an actual account too, guys, you can use code JDUN with Tradeify. You can use code JDUN with Tradeify to get in. How many of y'all are rocking with Team Bull? How many of y'all are using ambassador code TB? We need y'all in. We need each and every one of y'all, the best futures traders, in for this competition. You can personally get 200 racks, $1 million in cash prizes. If you win, I will personally fly you out to Denver. We'll rip the Lambo for the day. Good. I hope you win, Christopher. I hope you embarrass me. I hope you come in and crush it. Just use code TB. Trade with Team Bull. Let's go. Team Bull, he's in ES Longs. Grizzly in the ES Longs. MES. Yep, code Jdun still works on Alpha too. Yep, absolutely. No trades for me today. Gonna be for my first no trade Wednesday in a minute. Well, unless we don't, I got 30 more minutes. But
7:41 is my stop on this MES. I'm gonna have to walk away. I gotta take care of something. I'm gonna let it ride. If it hits it, I'll be out. If it doesn't, I'll trim a high there to 6770 area. But that's clear. Hopefully everyone understands.
oh, it's clear. It's clear.
Come back tomorrow. Stronger.
Good day, Greg.
You too, man. Take care. Dino.
See you, bro.
Take care. Keep moving. See you tomorrow.
you out to Colorado and learn. Let's go. Give us some movement, guys. I'm still chilling. How many of y'all signed up with ambassador code TB? Oh, no, I didn't miss any bangers today. I didn't have anything confirmed in my system. Market went up doesn't mean I missed a banger. If I would have missed a confirmation in my system and hesitated, then I'd be disappointed, but I'm chilling. I'm a day trader, not a trade every day trader. Oh, he means Greg. Whoops. How many of y'all got signed up using code TB? Ambassador code TB. I need y'all all representing Team Bull come November 1st. If you win, there is $1 million in cash prizes given out. Not in evals, but in cash prizes. $200K to the top winner. If you sign up and you're on Team Bull using code TB, if you get top 10, how about if you get top 10, I will fly you out and we'll have a day track in the Lambo. You want to drive the green machine? Get signed up with code TB. Bunny, that's not an affiliate code. We get nothing for that. It just signs you up to be on Team Bull, to be on our team in the leaderboards. Plus the bonus. Yep, you'll get your cash plus the bonus. That's right. That's right. That's right. If you already have a Tradeify account, it's free. If you want to open a Tradeify account, which they have great deals anyway, and straight to funded and evals, you can use code Jdun for 35% off, and then your entry's free if you already have a Tradeify account. So and steak dinner. Yep. That's right. Well, let's see here. Got 20 more minutes, guys. I'm streaming for 20 more minutes. 20 more minutes. No, I'm definitely entering. Yo, let's go. You can also get your accounts using code Jdun prior. I mean, they have great accounts to trade, even regardless of the trading challenge. You signed up, Gene?
Starts on my birthday.
Does, yep. Uh-oh, Michael, I see you. $1 million cash prizes, baby. All right, are we getting it? Let's watch. Starting to add a small piece of longs, guys, at 60. Stops below 37. Got filled, guys. So only 23 points of risk. This is the entry area I like. It's the only area I've liked today. If we go below 637, I'm out. Hard stops in. Hard stops are in. Below 37. It's literally the only area I've been watching all day. If we get to 1-to-1, I will trim. If you guys want a safer area, I guess you can wait for pre-market high. I've been watching this impulse candle entry all day. It's up from your entry, give or take, 10 points right now. There we go. Come on, a little higher. If you want to trim, you can. We're at about 15 points. At about 15 points, guys. I'm going to go ahead and take a little off here just before 1-to-1. It's later in the day. I want to see higher. I want to see us go to high a day. I did take a little off. Risk reward multiple is not great there. It's just before 1-to-1. I'd like to see above 80 for a solid trim. I want to see higher. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move my stops to 55 or 56. So I'll be slightly green. Forget I don't trust what we've seen so far. If we break this candle low, I got to trim off there. We're up about 10 points, give or take right now. I'd like to see above 80. I'd like to see above 80, guys. Above 80, we're at 1-to-1. Come on. Higher. Go higher. I did get a trim off up here, guys, so you know. I want to see higher, though. I want to see above 80. That puts us at 1-to-1. Come on. My stops are moved just below break even now. We're almost at 20 points. Come on. Give us a move above 80. There we go. We're at 80. 20 points so far. 20 points. I'm going to take a little more off here, guys, at 84. A little more off here at 84. Stops are at break even, everybody. Stops at break even. Let's see if we can keep moving up. We got that tick. We waited so patiently for that, guys. Let's get higher. Let's see if we can get higher out of this. We got 1-to-1 so far. Let's see if we can get a bit higher. My stops are at break even. I'd like to see high a day out of this. My stops are at break even. Come on, nothing crazy. We're at 1-to-1 so far. I'd like to see 1.5 R. I'd love to see a move above 90 back into the hundreds, but Stops are at break even. If you want a little more wiggle room, you can put your stops at 56. That's a few points below entry area, but it's below this 5-minute wick here, which would technically mean the trade is no longer valid if we break below here. Come on. My hard stops are at 61. Don't do it. All right, guys. It just got hit at 61. If you want a little more leeway, you can put your stops at 56. I got my 2 trims. I'm happy. I wanted to see more continuation. If we break below this candle low, that means my trade setup is not valid, but we got a 1-to-1. We got a 1-to-1 there. So wish we would have gotten more. I still think we could find some support in this area. I'm just not personally going to sit there and battle with it. So 1 for 1. 1 for 1. Managed correctly. I wanted to see more. Well, you can go short or long or whatever you want right now. Now watch it. Go in here. Honestly, if you want a long entry still, it's still technically valid below 37. Anything in this area could be a higher low. Oh, whoops. There we go. I forget I got to change the TikTok text on the screen too. Whoops. And there we go. The NASDAQ. Well, 20-point winner. We'll take it. I still like the we'll take the 1 dub for the day. 5 for 5 with Jdun. I'm just saying. We've been catching bangers. We've been catching bangers, my friends. We've been catching bangers. I'll do my best to help y'all. Let's see here. Anything else we're going to get? Some red Hume, I'd be down. Come on, y'all. I better see all y'all registering for the Tradeify Cup. If you want to trade with Tradeify, you can use code JDON. Get yourself an account right now and start working towards payout. If you just want to do the cup in 2 weeks, you can do. You can also use ambassador code TB. That's how you'll sign up, whether you're an existing member or not. You can use code TB to trade with us in Team Bull. I better see each and every one of y'all in the competition. The top winner gets $200,000. They're going to be giving away 200 live accounts too, which is crazy. We got the best trading team. You can get a Tradeify account here. I'll put the link in chat, and then you can use this on your dashboard to sign up for the Grand Cup. Got 6 more minutes, y'all. Caught one winner. It was small. It was only 1-1, but technically speaking, we still caught a dub. Damn, Tradeify is also 40% off too. $40% off. Let's go. Buying an account gets you free entry into the competition. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All y'all better load up on your Tradeify accounts. 40% off. $40 off good old Tradeify. And I'm going to do my absolute best to help y'all get paid out, as I always do. If this had higher volume, I'd look for a move back up to this like 70 level, then move back down. All right, guys, on all of the live streams, here's the deal. Tradeify just dropped 40% off. You can use code Jdun for 40% off any account, and this gets you free entry into the trading cup, into the Grand Cup. Yep, they have straight to funded and evals. When you enter the cup, make sure you use the ambassador code TB. That's how you trade with Team Bull. If you want a chance to come rip the Lambo on track day, get cash prizes from me, get bragging rights as a part of Team Bull, use ambassador code TB when you sign up. I love you too, Wall Street. I better see each of y'all inside the competition, Team Bull. You guys have the best training. You guys got the best team here. Let's have someone from our family go win it. You won't regret joining Team Bull. Joining Jdun is the most transparent, honest, helpful mentor out there right now, guaranteed. Let's go. If you get first place, I'll give you $15,000. Sure. Deal. Am I done? Not quite. I got a few more minutes. No more promo for Team Bull. Nope. It's over. We may bring one back at the beginning of next month. Get 100K. There's $1 million in cash prizes for Tradeify. It's a no-brainer. If you're trading futures, you should be entering the challenge. Let's see if this confirms short here. It could. If you want to enter, you can do it on your dashboard. If you buy a Tradeify account, which if you're trading futures, they're one of the top firms. You can use code Jdun. It's 40% off right now. In addition to that, if you join it, it'll be free entry. Man, I want to go short so bad. I'm not really sure what you're asking, trades from MM. If you stop out on flip position, say 5 and keep for 20 points, that 200 that you lose. But if you sell some at 20, stop out the rest is really 1-to-1. Yeah, technically speaking, yeah. 60, 83. We get a pop up in the mid 60s. I actually like shorts here. I mean, your risk reward is good. If you short like 65, so you have less than 20 points of risk. You put code TB as your ambassador code. I will lead you to victory with code TB. Oh man, I knew those shorts are going to go. I wanted us to go a little higher. Damn, we're going to move down, huh? I freaking knew it. I wanted a little higher. Wanted a little higher there. Yeah, I can't leave yet, guys. This is too good a price action for me to dip out quite yet. Damn. That 5-minute candle told the story. All right, guys. I'm not leaving yet. I'm watching. Come on, close that candle. I was actually going to look for some super high risk longs if we got a little more wick on that candle. We're at that 15-minute high. Now I can't. All right, let's see here. Volatility's picking up. I know. What do you think, Gene? I'm watching carefully. Those shorts would have been nasty. It would have been a mega trade. I was going to take him. I just wanted a little higher. We got selling pressure picking up. We get a strong close down here. I'm in shorts, so we pop back up again. What? Oh, yeah. Brandon loves Juice World. Damn, I got a little FOMO from that setup I missed with this candle right here. That one hurts a little bit. That one fit the system. I just didn't execute. I wanted to see a little higher, which honestly, looking back, I should have executed. There wasn't any reason I shouldn't have. Still 1 for 1 on the day. Still in profit. As a reminder, guys, make sure you all get signed up for Tradeify. They just dropped 40% off all accounts. They rarely do discounts. Rarely. It's in the pinned comment. Use code Jdun. They offer straight to funded, so you don't have to take an eval either. Use code Jdun. No eval is great. You can use code Jdun for 40% off all accounts. This also registers you. You can sign up for free for the trading competition if you're already a customer. Yep, no eval with Tradeify. You have straight to funded accounts. You don't have to worry about evals. You can also register for their $1 million cash competition. When you register for that, make sure you use ambassador code TB so you sign up for Team Bull. Let's go, B-Hub. This is a tough candle to short with all that volume. I'm not super confident either direction right now. All that wake up and volume, it's tough for me to short, but I'm also not super confident to long. You'd have to keep stops below 67. Why does it always do that? Yep, broke that candle low. Let's see. We're moving down. Crap. Give me a good entry with some VPA. I missed my good one up here. One more test to 80s. I'm short. All I like right now is the shorts. That is it. Don't want to hear it. Come on. I wanted to see up to those 80s. I'm going to start nibbling on some shorts up here, guys, at 55. We got filled at 53. Small piece. I'd like to see preferably 80s, but small size, just in case we keep heading down here. Well, 15 points so far. I'd like to see lower. I just got a really, really small size there as a starter. I would have rather seen higher, but this is some pretty aggressive price action to the downside. So there we go. 20 points so far, guys. Feel free to manage how you see fit. I'm going to put my stops up at like 62. So I have hardly any risk on this trade now. Literally hardly any at all on these shorts. Up 20 points so far. Let's see if we can get some more. Let's see if we can get a flush of these 34 lows. I have hardly any risk on this trade, guys. I have about 7 points. So if you want to trim, feel free. I want to see lower. Actually, I'm going to take a little off here at 40 just to be safe. My risk is still the same at 62. Risk is still the same at 62, guys. I want to see lower. I'd love to see a breakdown to low a day and further. I'd love to see a breakdown below 34. We're looking decent. We're up 15 points so far. Literally no drawdown. My hard stops are at 62. So you know what? I'm actually going to move my hard stops up a bit to 69. So it'll be a break-even trade if I get stopped out. But I want to give it a little more room to breathe. I think that we can get lower on this. Now let's let it cook. Manage how you see fit. I'd like to see lower. I'm still in the shorts, guys. My stops, my hard stops right now, after that trim, are at 69. There we go. This is what I was looking for, guys. Let's go. Come on, lower. Lower. We want below that 20. We want lower. More. We want more. 30 points so far, guys. 30 points. Come on. Lower. We want lower, my friends. We want lower, but feel free to manage the UC fit. Come on. Boom. All right, guys. I have one contract remaining. 40 points so far. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Let's go. Woo. Yo. This is what I wanted to see, guys. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Exactly what we wanted to see. Let's go. Stops are at break even, everybody. Come on. Stops are at break even, y'all. Let's go, y'all. I got to know. If you guys took either of those winning trades with me and you guys made money, type how much you're out for the day with me. If you're trading with Jdun, you trade with me and staying patient. We just went 2 for 2 again. Type how much money you've made with me today. Come on. If you're trading with Jdun, you made money. You're still making money right now. How much you making with Jdun today? Let's go. How much you making with Jdun today? 736. A lot. Thousands. 1,700. 250. 600. 978. 420. 100. 600. 350. 895. 107. 155. Come on. Let's go. Oh my. Yo. 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 We are printing. I'm not selling this last one either. Yo. 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 I'm supposed to be setting a good example of not being emotion, but hot diggity dog. Woo. Yo. We are nuking, guys. Let's go. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I wanted to see. Yo. All right, let's redo that video. If you're still in that trade with me, how much have you made today with me? Today. If you traded with me, come on. Give me some numbers, chat. How are we paying ourselves today? We just got like a 100-point trade. How much are you guys up with me today? 3K, 950, 5.5K, 1.1K, 700, 1,200, 2,200, 700 ticks, 2K, 200, 400. Let's go. Yo, yo, yo. 500, 212, 2,200. Come on.
What'd you enter at?
Bro, my entry
Like 9.
was up at 55.
Oh, wow.
55, my boy. That was so sick.
Is there any haters now?
Yeah, bro, people talk tea all the time. Like, Jdun, you're too patient. Bro, why do I stay patient? Look what just happened. I stay patient all day so I can catch bangers. So I can get good high probability setups. You know what we call that in Team Bull? What do we call that? We call it discipline over dopamine. Call it DOD, to stay patient. The more patient you stay, the more money you'll make. I hope I show you that every day. Let's go. Push-up had no... What's your take on volume all day? That push-up did have no volume. It did have no volume. That is correct. We want to see lower. Think so? You think, Mr. Gene? That was fire, bro.
109 to, yeah, dude, that was like 230 points on the top. Good, nice part of it, dude. Good job.
Thanks, bro.
I thought you were gonna get stopped out.
Me?
Yeah.
Stopped out? Me? Yeah, right, my boy. Come on now. Come on now. Bro, I'm done playing around. I'm done playing. If y'all got it, make sure to post your gains. I've seen all y'all typing. I love seeing you guys post your gains and tagging me. I will do my best to lead you to the victory land each and every day, forever and always. Not perfect, but I've been trading with a lot of confidence. Doing really, really well lately. Come on. Let's go. Hey, all I ask from y'all, too, is if you're trading with prop firms, make sure you use code Jdun. And then death.
Honestly, I think so.
Well, that candle actually looks pretty strong, though. No way.
That's what I kind of did yesterday, too. Like, during Asia, these last 2 days, it's been consolidating, and then we'll just get a big move. So I kind of told myself that I'm going to, just for the first hour, I'm not going to take any trades, and then I'm going to probably wait until like 5:15, because that's when market starts to move better.
That was money bags. Do this every day, guys. Literally every day. Literally every day. We're going at it. We're managing risk. We're choosing discipline over dopamine. That's what we do. Well, ES died.
60 points, dude. The market never used to move like this back in the day. I feel like.
No, it's great.
Move on SPY, like I don't look at SPY anymore, but a $6 move would just be absolutely insane.
Where's the guy asking for a review? Where'd he go? Come back. Come back, my boy. I've been waiting for you. Come back. Ambassador code is TB. If you want to trade with Tradeify, they're 40% off. You can use code TB to join Team Bull for the Tradeify competition. Yep. I will do my best to lead you to victory through discipline and focus every day. Told y'all, trade smart, trade safe, stay patient. And what I teach you will lead you to better and more profitable trading. It is not easy. It's not get rich quick. But what I teach you and what I preach to you will lead you to better, more consistent trading. And that is a fact. That is a fact. Well, we'll have a trade review. Bro, that was awesome, guys. We stayed patient. I had a feeling I wanted to stick around a little longer. I had a feeling. My spidey senses started tingling. My 9 years of trading senses started tingling. Started your DOD journey today. Let's go. Closed above the 15-minute low. Lower volume, though. I got to get out of here before I start overtrading. I need a mob before I start overtrading. Inchwaka. Jokic is getting ready, my bro. We're going for it. We're going for it. Maybe a sweep below, higher volume up. It's possible. It's possible. All right, y'all. I'm about for the day. That was an incredible session. Where did I visualize I put my risk initially above that, like that 70 area. If you couldn't visualize it though, I'm happy you didn't take it. Made so much money using your strategy from the 3-day program. Let's go. That makes me so happy, bro. That is amazing. The 3-day, all y'all should be watching the 3-day free course. It's a game changer. It is a literal game changer. Damn, we're really cranking. Let's see what this volume candle was. Love to her windows. All right, y'all. I'm glad you guys, yes, sir. I'm glad you guys got to cash out with me, Team Bull. We do this every single day. We choose discipline over dopamine. I give you my exact trades. We trade smart, we trade safe, and we grind in this industry we call trading together. Thank you for being a part of my team. Choose discipline over dopamine, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. I was going to do Power Hour, but we have Jared Tendler today, another massive, incredibly valuable resource of this community that you should be utilizing. That you should absolutely be utilizing. So, all right, y'all. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, all right? Glad we can catch some wins. Please post your gains in the post your gains section. And if you're trading futures, make sure you guys tap in, join the Tradeify challenge, use ambassador code TB, and let's win this cup together, all right? God bless y'all. Have a good rest of your day. Peace. All right, y'all. I'm out of here, Team Bull. Peace, everybody. Dubs on dubs. God bless y'all. If you have any questions, you can always send me a message on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Peace, everyone. Goodbye. See you guys in the morning. Make sure you hit that follow button before you go.